Many people want to start online business at a low cost, but don't know how. Constantly, my cousin does this. 老妹。
嗨，老哥。
Wow.
My cousin just graduated from university this year, and her salary is already higher than mine thanks to this global dropshipping model.
Our showroom have more than 50,000 samples here, and every month we will produce more than 300 new products. Every year we have produced 3,000 to 5,000 new designs.
So how do you design so many jewelry pieces in a year?
We have a French designer.
French designer. My cousin says their factory's biggest advantage is design and the speed of designing.
Our company integrates both the manufacturing and the trading. We can design and produce a sample less than 24 hours. This is where we do design and making sample.
It seems this jewelry company really makes a lot of money because hiring a French designer in China is very costly. Karina, after seeing your designer's work, I feel like I could do it too.
Okay, you can try it.
Here, to create your own unique brand and styles of jewelry, you only need an MOQ of 30 to 120, depending on the design. The factory manages the inventory for clients and helps ship items one by one all over the world. Starting your own brand is just that simple.
Click like, follow, contact. Just Stop Jewelry.